Hello students, let's learn about frequency modulation. Myself, Dr. V.K. Bairagi, working as professor in ENTC Department of AISSMS, Institute of Information Technology, Pune. In our previous videos, we have learned about amplitude modulation, that is AM, which is the simplest form of modulation where the amplitude of carrier is modulated by the analog signal, which is also known as modulating signal or baseband signal. In this video, we will learn about frequency modulation. A signal to be modulated, carrier signal and modulated signals are shown in the figure. In the case of frequency modulation, the modulating signal is used to vary carrier frequency. The change in frequency is proportional to the modulating voltage. The instantaneous frequency of the modulated signal can be represented by Fi of t is equal to Fc plus Kem of t, where Fc is the carrier frequency. The frequency modulated signal is shown in the diagram. As you can see in the diagram, the amplitude of modulated wave is same, whereas there is a change in frequency of modulated signal with respect to the amplitude of modulating signal. In other words, the carrier frequency is changed with respect to the amplitude of the baseband signal. In this diagram, the shift or the change in carrier frequency is shown. The green arrow shows the current frequency of the carrier signal, whereas the red arrow shows the original position of the carrier signal when there is no modulating signal. The difference between the two is delta F. This delta F can be positive or negative. A deviation of plus 15 kHz means that the carrier is currently 15 kHz above the original carrier frequency, that is Fc. The modulation index in the case of FM is denoted by beta, and it can be given by the formula as delta F by FM. This is the frequency domain representation of FM spectrum. In the case of AM, we have seen that there are only two sidebands, but in the case of FM, we can see that there are many sidebands. The modulated signal will contain frequency component such as Fc plus FM, Fc minus FM, Fc plus twice of FM, Fc minus twice of FM, and so on. The bandwidth of the FM signal can be calculated by the formula bandwidth is equal to twice of Bm into bracket beta plus 1, whereas Bm is the bandwidth of modulating signal. It may be noted that FM requires greater bandwidth than AM. FM signal may require bandwidth which is equal to 10 times as that of baseband signal. In the case of FM modulated signal, as the amplitude remains the constant, total average power is equal to the unmodulated carrier power. Although there is an increase in the bandwidth, but it does not affect the power. Therefore, transmission power for FM is less as compared to AM at the cost of higher bandwidth requirement. Thank you.